Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to multiply 5,325 times 7 using the area model. Alright, so remember this 5 represents the number of thousands, so this is really 5,000 right here. And 5,000 times 7 gives us 35,000. So let's write 35,000 inside this blue box. Now the 3, that's the number of hundreds. So this is really 300. And 300 times 7 is 2,100. The number 2 is for the number of tens. So this is really 20. And 20 times 4 would be 140. And then finally, the 5 is the ones place. So 5 times 7 is 35. And finally, to get the answer, we'd add up 35,000, 2,100, 140, and 35 to get the answer.